Good evening. Happy Friday, everybody. For some of you, it's probably early Saturday morning already. Just wanted to touch base with all of you and let you know my status. Some of you may know that I've been MIA for almost 2 years. In my last vlog, I said it's like a year, but actually it's almost 2 years since I've been like vlogging consistently. But anyway, enough on that. I am going to be bringing to you a lot more content. I'm really excited and going to be doing my typical exercise videos, theme park videos, obviously Disney. I can't have a day off and not be at Disney. Even if it's Disney Springs. Disney. And since I have been absent, MIA, for 2 years, I need to start bringing back some balance to my life, things that I'm looking for in abundance. So I don't always ask people for help. And in this case, I still haven't asked for help. However, I guess through visualization, manifestation, law of attraction, I've attracted people who want to help. They've just come to me out of the blue. Even co-workers are talking about balance. And I'm always like, yeah. You know, I'm in control and I know what I'm doing, but reality is that I need to bring balance to my life. So, there's 2 people that I would like to introduce to you. I'm going to show you a clip because there's 2 YouTubers. One is about that, empowering people, talks about visualization and the law of attraction, how you manifest things faster, the whole 9. And the other individual is going to help me, and I hope I'm pronouncing this right, get into Qigong. So anyway, enough rambling, let's get started. And when I say let's get started, I'm talking about the wine. Oh, that hits the spot. Now let's begin.
So how do you resolve shame and guilt? Now, these 2 emotions are so heavy that they just anchor into those chakras. They just anchor and they are the hardest to get rid of. So the first thing that you want to do is you just want to feel where that shame and guilt starts, like throughout the day, because that shame and guilt, it starts in your body first, then it'll create fear, then it creates uncertainty, confusion, and then it creates lack. You feel empty. So for me, shame and guilt is usually anchored in my root chakra at the very bottom, and it'll start in my shoulders. So a connection of the heart and the throat. I know this because of the self-awareness work that I've been doing. Once I know where it is, then I take the color of the chakras and I really kind of meditate into I love, my truth. And I start to see the story unfold, and I realize it ain't all my fault. I have to give myself forgiveness, and you also have to give the other person forgiveness. So another exercise I do is in meditation, I will visualize the other person standing right in front of me, like this far, and we do eye to eye. I look at that person into their eyes, and I just keep looking, and answers will come of what your lesson is. And you ask for forgiveness from them, and you give your...
Yaskin, I'm a Qigong practitioner, instructor, and a healer. I love Qigong. I believe in Qigong and would like to share it with you and with the world. First of all, Qigong spelling Qigong, pronounced Qigong, not Qui-Gong. It is ancient Chinese practice, been around for over 7,000 years. Qi means air, breath, energy, vitality, life force. Gong means work, practice, use, transform, cultivate, or refine. Practice Qigong help balancing our energy, stimulate the healing ability that we are born with, increase vitality and longevity. I am grateful for Qigong because it not only heals me physically but also emotionally. So who else can practice Qigong? Anyone can. You can practice standing, sitting or laying down, and you don't need much of space. All you need is your body, your breath, and your intention. I dedicate to Qigong. I teach Qigong locally, and I also have Facebook, Central Florida Qigong Healing. I invite you to connect with me on Facebook group and to follow the class schedule and the workshop and learn more about Qigong. I will post some Qigong exercise that you can follow and practice as much as you can and enjoy the benefit of Qigong. Thank you for watching. I wish you have a wonderful, beautiful day.